Check out the new shades. Sponsored by Richie Bomb. Let me sing you, katito mo 45% il patatyang inash ki moli moderate ma lash finango shy moderate ma ki government level. That's a plus.
Good morning. Happy Thursday, everybody. Before we roll the reel, let's take a look at these two stand-up paddleboard that I received from Brother Bill. Actually, there are 4 of them. I'm just gonna do 2 of them today. But you know what? These are just in time for summer. Let me lower the music just a second. While we're unboxing and putting this together, let me just kind of give you a rundown of what's going to happen starting in May, June, and maybe early July. The first event that we're going to look at is the public school year on Kosrae, the graduation. I know the high school is set for May 30th, but that's tentative. That could be changed. It depends on number of days that they need to make up for absence. Also, we have the micro games coming up in Majuro. This is one of the big sporting events here in the region that Kosrae is participating in anticipation of this major sporting event in Majuro. Kosrae delegation is planning on flying out on the first week of June until maybe the last week of June. That's the second event that we are looking at. The third event that we are going to look at is the Festival of the Pacific Arts and Culture that will be happening in Honolulu, Hawaii. There's a delegation here in Kosrae that will be participating in that big event that will be held in Oahu. They are planning on flying out on the 1st, probably on the 4th, and then returning on the 28th of June. This will be a major full-on cultural and symposium and art and exhibition and everything. It's kind of like the bigger version of Micronesian Expo. In fact, all these expos, all this night market stuff that's been going on, this is what they're being preparing for this big Pacific Festival of Arts. You see, one might ask, yo brother, why are you telling us all these stuffs? The reason why I'm telling you all these stuff is because there is going to be 2 tournaments happening at the same time in June. If you are listening and you are coming down to Kosrae for summer, if you're looking for rental cars, if you're looking for hotel rooms, I know most of the hotel rooms here are pretty much booked. As far as cargo rental and SUV rental and the small car rental, I'm pretty sure cargos are pretty much all out. Cargo is very popular here. The Japanese type cargos that you guys see here. Your best bet right now is go for an SUV or a sedan. Forget about the cargo. Cargo, it's graduation time. There's going to be a lot of stuff going on this summer. So look for an SUV or a sedan and secure that for you for this coming summer. This tournament will be going on and you want to make sure you have your own ride. Go for an SUV or a sedan. Let's get back right into this vlog and we can talk story later on.
watching it. Careful, just what's going on there.
감사합니다.
네, 마라탕아.
Happy birthday.
Phía tao là luôn bạn. Birthday. Thật rồi nhỉ. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Let's go. What's on the menu is my favorite. Curry, sashimi, fried tuna, sashimi, plus rice, chicken parts. Sesame oil si Bongo. Tama. Okay. Man, the curry is good. The curry curry. Oh gosh. Bueno, no. Bueno, no.
I'm so sad.